इस वर्ष 2015 में आपके जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में कई प्रकार से बोझ आने की संभावना होगी। अतः आपको संपूर्ण शक्ति और ऊर्जा के साथ बलपूर्वक आने वाले दबाव या संकट का सामना करना होगा। अपनी भावनाओं की श्रद्धा और विश्वास को देखते हुए आने वाले अवसरों को स्वीकार करें और शीघ्र ही उनका समाधान भी करें। तभी आपके लंबे समय से रुके हुए कार्य और योजनाएं सुचारू रूप से चल पाएंगी। इस वर्ष आपका सबसे अधिक समय सामूहिकरण में जा सकता है। बृहस्पति देव आपके जीवन की शुभ कामनाओं और महत्वाकांक्षाओं के अन्वेषण में आपकी पूर्ण रूपेण सहायता करेंगे। शनिदेव महाराज आपकी सोची समझी छवि को ऊपर ले जाने में सहायक होंगे। वर्ष के अंतिम 3 माहों में गतिहीन समय में आपके उदासीपन रहने की संभावना होगी, किंतु आप धीरता को बनाए रखें। इस वर्ष आपको व्यावसायिक जीवन में कुछ अलग से अनुभव और दृष्टिकोण की अनुभूति प्राप्त होगी। व्यावसायिक सफलता प्राप्त करने के लिए आपको बड़े परामर्श और परिश्रम की आवश्यकता होगी और साथ ही साथ अपने सहकर्मियों के साथ बड़े ही सहयोग की भावना रखनी होगी, जिससे व्यापार में विकास होगा और आप अच्छे उन्नति और प्रतिभा की ओर अग्रसर होंगे। स्थिति पूर्व समय जैसी ही रहने की संभावना है। वर्ष के अंतिम भाग में आप अपने जीवन साथी के साथ अच्छा, सुखी व आनंदमय जीवन बिता पाएंगे। आपसी झगड़े आदि तनाव समाप्त करने के लिए तुरंत निर्णय व अच्छी भूमिका को प्रस्तुत करें। अच्छी मिठास वाली वाणी आपके लिए लाभकारी और सुखद रहेगी। वर्ष 2015 में आपका प्रेम जीवन स्थिर और नियंत्रण में रहने की संभावना है। वर्ष 2015 में आपकी वित्तीय और आर्थिक स्थिति कुशल पूर्वक रहने की संभावना है। अपने कार्य पर और कार्य प्रणाली पर विशेष ध्यान दें। होने वाले कार्य को पहले से ही तय कर लें। वर्ष के मध्य भाग में कुछ आपत्तिजनक व्यय हो सकता है, इसीलिए आप अपनी आर्थिक स्थिति को देखते हुए कुछ अनौपचारिक खर्चों पर नियंत्रण रखें, क्योंकि व्यय करने से आपको नुकसान हो जाने की संभावना है। भविष्य की सफलता आप ही के ऊपर निर्भर करती है, इसीलिए आर्थिक स्थिति पर अपना पूर्ण ध्यान दें। वर्ष 2015 में ग्रह आपकी रक्षा करते हुए सहायक सिद्ध होंगे और आपका स्वास्थ्य सामान्य रूप से स्वस्थ रहेगा। आप अधिक भोजन और गलत आदतों से दूर रहें, क्योंकि यह आपके स्वास्थ्य पर बुरा असर कर सकते हैं। संतुलित आहार लें, अच्छा व्यायाम करें और सैर करें, इससे आपकी शारीरिक मनोबलता बढ़ेगी। यह वर्ष स्वास्थ्य के मामले में आपको अच्छी कुशलता की और रुकावट में भी डाल सकता है, जिसके लिए आप स्वयं ही जिम्मेदार होंगे, इसीलिए खुद ही अपना ध्यान रखें। इस वर्ष वैवाहिक जीवन में कुशलता आएगी, धन, लक्ष्मी और शिक्षा में सुधार होगा। राशिफल 2015 की दृष्टि से साल के दूसरे भाग में आपके प्रेम संबंधों में बहुत ही कुशलता आएगी। आपके गृहस्थ जीवन में बहुत जिम्मेदारियां बढ़ सकती हैं, जिसके लिए आपको मेहनत करनी होगी। 2015 राशिफल के अनुसार किसी पारिवारिक व्यक्ति विशेष के लिए आप चिंतित हो सकते हैं, किंतु आपका स्वास्थ्य कुशल पूर्वक रहने की संभावना है। झगड़े फिसाद आदि मामलों से आप दूर ही रहें। आपकी तामस प्रवृत्ति या कटुवाणी से इस वर्ष आपके परिजनों से कुछ झगड़ा और मनमुटाव हो सकता है, जिससे आप दूर रहें और मीठा स्वभाव रखें। भविष्यफल 2015 के अनुसार यह वर्ष आपके लिए मिले जुले परिणामों को प्रकट करने वाला वर्ष रहेगा। मंदिर में पीला वस्त्र दान देने से आपको लाभ प्राप्त होगा। अपने घर में सर्वग्रह देवों की पूजा अग्निहोत्र से करने से आपको लाभ की प्राप्ति होगी। आस गणेशा के सभी ग्राहकों को हमारा सहृदय धन्यवाद है और हम आपके उज्जवल एवं सुखमय भविष्य की कामना करते हैं। हम आपको यह भी विश्वास दिलाते हैं कि भविष्य में भी आपको सटीक एवं उच्चतम सेवाएं प्रदान करते रहेंगे।
मूलांक, दिस इज नोन एज digital root. We shall define the digital roots in two different types. One is additive and another is subtractive. Additive digital root, we shall say it is ADR and is SDR, subtractive digital root. Now, let us define this. So, first of all, we shall take additive digital root, then we shall take subtractive digital root. Additive digital root is nothing but it is sum of all digits of a number into one digit. Into one digit means if the sum comes into two digits, it is to be re-added. We shall take this is 5 plus 4 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. It will become 29. 9, 17, 24, 27, 29. This should be re-added, so it will go to 2 plus 9 and that will be 11. There are two digits, you can say it is 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 is the additive digital root of this big number. Now, one more thing. Another method for finding the additive digital root is you can neglect 9 and the digits which are making addition 9. For example, here I will remove this one. This 5 and 4 is 9, 7 and 2 is 9, so they can be rejected or neglected. So you can say that's equal to 8 plus 3, that's 11, is 1 plus 1 is 2. So there are two methods. One method is add all together. If the sum is in more than one digit, re-add it, and till re-addition will be applied, you are getting one digit, you go into one digit. So another method is you can neglect those digits which are making 9, and also if there is 9 also it can be. Well, one more thing is, and third method I can say, for example, suppose this is there. All this can be done orally. What I need is whenever the addition is into two digits, add at that time. For example, here 5 plus 8, 13. So you can say this way, 5 plus 8 is 13, goes 4. Then 4 plus 7 is 11, goes to 2. Then plus 6, 8, 9 to be neglected. 8 plus 8 is 16, it goes to 7, plus 4 is 11, is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. See, at any stage, if we have the addition to 2 digits, re-added. For example, here working, 1 3 is added, 1 1 re-added, this 16 re-added. So any stage, if we have 2 digits, you can add them and get 1. So there are 3 different methods. One is add all together. If some is in more than 1 digit, re-add them, and re-addition should be applied till you are getting into 1 digit. Another one is you can neglect 9 or digits which are making addition 9. They can be neglected. And third one is, here you can say at any stage, if you have more than 1 digit addition, re-add them and go into 1 digit. ADR of a number is nothing but it is remainder on dividing the number by 9. And so, at any stage, if we add 9 or subtract 9, it doesn't affect ADR. For example, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 and 4, 5. So if 9 is added, do remember that ADR will not be affected. And so, we said neglecting 9 or addition of 9 numbers are neglected. The reason is this, because we are going for dividing 9. So, add 9 and then divide by 9, instead of we can reject it. So, main thing is this, the remainder of dividing by 9 is the ADR. Subtracted digit root is the somehow I shall put one more body here, the alternative digit starting from unit digit and remaining digits. So we shall start from unit digit, we shall neglect 1, so alternative digit will be added, and then this subtraction will be done of the sum starting from the tens digit. We say remaining. Let us see now. SDR of 3 5, that is 5 minus 3 is 2. We start from 5. No more is there, and remaining is 3. SDR of 5 4 6 2, we start from 2, so it is 2 plus 4 and minus 6 plus 5. So this will be, obviously it is 6 minus 11. Same way as we are in additive 9 was rejected, here 11 can be rejected. Or question is, this will be obviously minus 5. So now remove this minus sign. What we do is we add 11k. That means multiple of 11 can be added or subtracted, making no difference, and so this will be 6. Do remember, if subtraction becomes negative, to turn it into positive, we shall add or subtract multiple of 11. Let us see the different illustrations and we can decide. It is 2 minus 3. 3 is greater than 2. Add 11. It is 10. So to get only positive SDR, we shall add multiple of 11. We don't need to add at all. We take 2, 8, 10, 16, 21. Start from unit digit 10, 16, 21. Now 7, 12, 14, 16 is 5. 7, 12, 16. Now SDR of. Here also I want to draw your attention that adding or subtracting multiple of 11 at any stage will not affect. See, if I subtract 11 from here, what will it? 10. Here 11, 5. 10 minus 5 will be 5. So at any stage, if you neglect the multiple of 11, it will make no difference. That should be remembered. And SDR of 827164, that will be 4 and 1, 5 and 2, 7, minus 6, 13, 21. Now you see, 21 is bigger than this, so multiple of 11, that I shall say it is 2 into 11 is to be added. So 11 to the 22, multiple of 11 added or subtracted makes no difference, and so it is 22 minus 21 is 1 plus 7, so it is 8. That should you remember. What is the reason for this? In fact, you say it is this is the reason. At any stage, if you add or subtract multiple of 11, SDR will not be affected at all. And so what we said is, so like this, in the formal number, what we did is like this, or you can say SDR of 82, 83, 87, 81. So 1 and 7, 8 and 3, 11 and 2. 13 minus 8, 16, you can say it is 32. So you can understand, see, if you subtract 22 from here, so that is minus 10. 13 minus 10 will be 3. See the way. Or, in spite of this, I remove this one, and I add 33. That 33 minus 32, 1 and 13 is 14. Re-add them. It is 4 minus 1 is 3. Do you remember that SDR will lie from 0 to 10. Same way, ADR will lie between 0 to 9. 9 itself is 0. Do you remember? Here 11 itself is 0 because 1 minus 1. So if you are getting more than 1 digit, you can turn into, by subtraction you can go like this, 4 minus 1 is 3. So same method we have applied, because as per the decision or the definition, you start from unit digit and remaining digit 4 minus 1 is 3. Reference SDR of 23, 3 minus 2 is 1. but SDR of 32 is 2 minus 3 plus 11. Should remember this, it will be 10. SDR of 123 will be 3 plus 1 minus 2, it is 2. SDR of 7539, that will be 9514 minus 10, it is 4. And SDR of 8271, it is 1 minus 2 is 3, 7, 8 is 15, you should say it is 12. Why 22? Because if you add 11, 3, 14 minus 15 will be bigger one. So multiple of we are increasing, so we are adding 22 plus 3, 25 minus 15 is 10. Do you remember the way how we are doing? So we are adding here 22 in spite of 11, because if we add 11 and 3, 14, yet 15 will not be subtracted. And so beside 11, we are adding 22. That should be noted. So if you want to turn it into positive SDR, you should remember multiple of 11 to be added. That should be done. In fact, these ADR and SDR are much more useful. We shall take it onward. We shall discuss about it, how it is useful in the routine examinations, and when the options are given and you are to select any one option, the true option, this big numbers will be there. We shall show in onward, we shall use it, how it will be used. DR for cross-checking. Digital root, as I said, is most useful substance or apparatus for cross-checking. One, to check correctness of addition. See, I shall put up a general remark that replace the number by their digital root and then carry out the process which is given there. If both the sides have the same result, the work will be true. For example, I take suppose this addition is to be carried out. So this is my example, I carried out. So what we need is we put up ADR, additional digital root. This is 5, 11, 2, 10, 1. 15, 6, 5, 11, 2, 15, 6, 12, 3. And all these together. What I have done? I put up additional digit on place of the numbers. Here addition is there, I addition carry out with DRs. 7, 9, left 3. Let us check the digital root of this one. 2, 10. See, now you should remember 2, 7, 12, 3. 9 to be rejected. And so here is 3, here is 3. So addition is true. Same way, we can carry out with SDR also. 8, 13, minus 6, 7, 9, 16 minus 8, 8, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 6, 14 minus 7 is 7. Add together, it is 29. So you can say 9 minus 2, 7. Let us check here. 9 is 14 minus 5 plus 2, 7. It is 7. So answer is true. See, it is true by ADR, it is true by SDR. So answer is true. So sometimes they differ, then you should check it out. It will differ. If here is true, then it will be true. If it is wrong, this will be wrong here. So best way of checking the addition is, generally we use SDR because it is marked correct. Here 9 and 5, if they are changed, digital root will be, additional digit will be same. But here it will change. And so it is more exact rather than ADR. But generally we use ADR because it is very simple. Sometimes you have to check it by SDR. You should have the habit using SDR also. So what I said is, DRs replace given numbers by their DRs, it may be SDR or ADR, and carry out the operation, whatever addition, subtraction, product, whatever it is. If both the sides have the same results, then work done is true. Let us check the subtraction. One, 2, here 2 and 6, 8, 9, so it is 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1. Subtraction can be checked 3 ways. Add these 2. 8, 4, 16, 1, 6, 15, 1, 2, 3. So if the addition of these 2 is this, it is true. We use now ADR. Forget the decimal, you don't need to assume decimal consideration. 8, 12, 3, 9, left, 8. 7 to 9, left, 8 and 1, 9, left, so it is 9. Or you can say 0, no problem. 9 itself is 0, so it should be 8. And so you can see 1, 3, 11 is 2, 7 and 1, it is 8. Same. And so subtraction is true. You can take SDR also. 8, 14, 11, 9, 2. 7, 15, 16 and 11, 5. going to subtraction. So as I said, subtraction is not possible, or number which is to subtraction indicator, add 11 here. 13 minus 5, 8. To remember, both will have not the same result, maybe differ also. Here, occasionally it is true. Here, 9, 10. See now. You should understand how we are carrying out work. And then we say check it out, whether it is true or not. So, it may be committed. If you are not getting the result, you should recheck it also. 1, 9, 10, minus 7, it is 3. See now, you should remember now. Let us go back. 8, 14, 17, and this is 9. See now, you should remember this way. So it is wrong, no? So you should recheck it out. There you had committed a mistake. 8, 14, 3, 17, and minus 9. So it should be 8. It is 3. They are equal. Now it's 2. So some